Welcome to Scissor Money. Today, we're sharing 5 easy ways to lower your monthly bills and save money. Let's dive in. Tip number 1, review your subscriptions. Take a close look at all your monthly subscriptions, streaming services, magazines, and apps. Are you using them all? Cancel any that you don't use regularly to save money. Tip number 2, negotiate your bills. It might sound intimidating, but companies often prefer giving a discount to losing you to a competitor. This doesn't just apply to internet or cable. Think about your cell phone plan, car insurance, and even credit card interest rates. Many recurring expenses have wiggle room because customer retention is key for these businesses. The key is preparation. Before you call, do some homework. Research what competitors are offering. This information is your leverage. Also, have your account number and a recent bill handy, and know what you want to achieve, whether it's matching a competitor's price or getting a specific promotional rate. When you call, be polite but firm. Explain that you're reviewing your budget and need to lower your expenses. A great line is, "I've seen a better deal elsewhere, but I'd prefer to stay with you. Can you help me with my monthly rate?" If the first representative can't help, ask to speak to the customer retention or loyalty department. They usually have more power to offer significant discounts to keep you as a customer. Even saving $20 a month adds up to $240 a year from a single phone call. It's a small effort for a big reward. You'd be surprised at how much you can save just by asking. Tip number 3, use energy wisely. Switch to energy-efficient appliances and light bulbs. Also, consider unplugging devices when they're not in use. These small changes can lead to significant savings on your electricity bill. Tip number 4 is a game changer. Set a budget. This isn't about restriction, it's about empowerment. A budget gives every dollar a job, so you're telling your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. It's the foundation of financial control. To start, tally up all your monthly income. Then, for one full month, track every single expense. Yes, every coffee, every subscription. Use a simple notebook, a spreadsheet, or an app. This creates a clear snapshot of your spending habits. Next, categorize your spending into fixed costs like rent and variable costs like dining out. This is where you'll find opportunities to save. Seeing it all in black and white is the eye-opening first step to taking control. A great starting point is the 50-30-20 rule. Aim to allocate 50% of your take-home pay for needs, 30% for wants, and a non-negotiable 20% towards savings and debt repayment. It's a simple framework for balancing your priorities. There are countless tools, from apps that automate tracking to spreadsheets or the envelope system. The best tool is one you'll use consistently. Remember, a budget is a living document. Review it regularly and adjust as needed to stay on track. Tip number 5, shop around for insurance. Don't settle for the first insurance quote you receive. Compare rates from different providers to ensure you're getting the best deal possible. And there you have it. 5 powerful, yet surprisingly simple strategies to start lowering your monthly bills today. We've covered everything from negotiating with your service providers and auditing those sneaky recurring subscriptions to making your home more energy efficient. These aren't just abstract ideas. They are concrete actions you can take right now. Remember, every dollar you save is a step towards your financial goals. Whether you're building an emergency fund, saving for a down payment on a house, or planning that dream vacation, it all starts with these small, consistent changes. The power to transform your financial future is truly in your hands. Our challenge to you is this: pick just one tip from this video and commit to trying it this week. Whether it's making one phone call to your internet provider or canceling a streaming service you haven't used in months, take that first step. You might be shocked at how much you can save. If you found this guide helpful and you're ready to take control of your finances, show your support by hitting that like button. And to make sure you don't miss out on our next video, subscribe to Scissor Money and ring the notification bell. We'd also love to hear from you. What's the best money-saving tip you've ever received? Share it in the comments below. Let's build a community of savvy savers together. Thanks for watching, and here's to a healthier financial future.